Louis Hay says, "In the infinity of life where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete." Hi, and welcome to the Daily Self-Love Podcast. I'm your host, C.S. Neha Bajaj, and in this episode, I'm going to share with you the wisdom and the golden nuggets on self-love from Louis Hay. Louis Hay was an American motivational author and the founder of Hay House. She authored several New Thoughts self-help books, including the You Can Heal Your Life. She wasn't an healer, but a firm believer that until you start to love yourself unconditionally and you choose to accept yourself the way you are, you can never heal your life. She once said, "Remember, you have been criticizing yourself for years and it hasn't worked. Try approving of yourself and see what happens." Since the time I have started practicing self-love, her view of self-love and its importance in our life has always inspired me to work more each day on actually accepting myself and loving myself unconditionally. And here's my top 10 learnings from Louis Hay on what she says on self-love. Learning number 1. Life is a journey of self-discovery. To me, to be enlightened is to go within and to know who and what we really are, and to know that we have the ability to change for the better by loving and taking care of ourselves. Learning number 2. Love is the most important healing power there is. Love yourself and you can heal your life. Learning number 3. Love is a deep appreciation. When I talk about loving ourselves, I mean having a deep appreciation for who we are. We accept all different parts of ourselves, the embarrassments, the things we may not do so well, and all the wonderful qualities too. We accept the whole package with love, unconditionally. Number 4. Love of self and love of life connects us with the prosperity of the universe. Self-love creates self-expression and allows us to be creative in deeply fulfilling ways. 5th, I love myself, therefore I love totally in the now, experiencing each moment as good and knowing that my future is bright and joyous and secure, for I am a beloved child of the universe and the universe lovingly takes care of me now and forevermore. And so it is. Learning number 6. Self-love helps me make positive changes easily. Number 7. I do not fix problems. I fix my thinking. Then problems fix themselves. Learning number 8. Love is the great miracle cure. Loving ourselves works miracles in our lives. Number 9. Self-approval and self-acceptance in the now are the main keys to positive changes in every area of our lives. And number 10. We are in charge of our lives. We are the power we have been seeking. These have been some powerful learnings on self-love from Louis Hay, isn't it? So, if you are now ready to choose self-love for yourself, just choose one of these top 10 learnings I have just shared and start implementing it in your life on a daily basis. And start today. As Louis Hay says, today is the day you can love yourself totally with no expectations. And if you need any help to learn how to practice self-love and where to start from, book a one-on-one with me and I'll do my best as a self-love lifestyle mentor to help you become self-loved. With this, I'll sign off for now. See you in the next episode. Share this podcast among the people in your network. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple iTunes and help me reach across the globe, helping people become self-loved. Stay tuned for the next episode and stay self-loved.